Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am off today, so I'm just going to relax and regroup for everything else I have going on. And I'm also heading to the spa at the Four Seasons, and I'm just gonna relax there for a little bit before I get into all those other things. So if you want to hang out with me on a day off, then just keep watching. I love this hotel. Okay, that was lovely. All right, I am back home and I figured I could show you what I got at Sephora and then my beautiful skincare fridge. Sydney, if you're watching this from the cardio machines, thank you so much for the skincare fridge. I wanted one for so long and I finally got one. So let's just take a look at what is in here so far. I have the Kylie Skin Eye Cream. I have this rose quartz face roller. You just go like that. I have that, and then I have these rose eye gels, which I really love. The baby facial. So I added some more Drunk Elephant today. I got the La Retro whipped cream and this glycolic, so that's gonna go in there. I have this Tatcha, but this is like not the best for my skin, so I'm just gonna maybe put this like for travel only. This was from my latest collab with Stack Influence. This is the Vanna Botanicals Radiance Booster, and I think I'm just gonna leave that out. And then of course we have some Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin. And this is the toner serum. So let's see, actually, I'll take this out of the container, but I'm gonna put the Drunk Elephant mask, baby facial, the eye cream, and the little eye pads up there. I used to do this like every afternoon. I would just like relax and like drink my tea and do that. I'm looking forward to that. And then I'm gonna take this out of the container. And then let me try this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit and see how it is. Okay, unboxing time. I already have the this Laneige on. Okay. One of my like sort of resolutions is just to put like, to be consistent with like my makeup and my hair. Sometimes I look you know, like I've put in so much effort, and then sometimes I look like I'm just woke up out of bed. So I just want to be like consistent. Like if I'm consistently a 7, that would be fine with me. Of course, I'm gonna hit them with a 10 every. This is so small. Kind of disappointed in that size. Not cool. And then can't get wrong with that color. It's a really nice color. It's just, this is really mini. But I already bought it, so it's mine now. So we have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize. Maybe I should do a little more outside. Okay, so this is done. This was fun. And then I have 3 things I sold on Poshmark, so I'm going to wrap those up and ship them at the post office, which is right across the street. So